Minasan, konnichiwa. So, for this video, pag-uusapan po natin about adverbs of time. Okay? So, Sensei, ano po ba si adverbs of time? At kailan po ito ginagamit? So, basically, ang adverbs of time ay nagsasabi kung kailan nangyari ang action, kung gaano kahaba or yung duration ng action, duration ng time for the action happened, and kung gaano kadalas nangyari. Okay? So, let's go sa lessons. Hey. Hey. So, meron tayong day, morning, and night. Okay? So, today is kyo. Kyo. Okay, prolonged or pinahaba yung dulo. Kyo. Yesterday, kino. Okay? The day before yesterday, ototoy. Ototoy. Okay? Kyo, kino, ototoy. Hi. Tomorrow naman is ashita. Ashita. The day after tomorrow is asatte. Asatte. Okay? So, si today is kyo. Si yesterday is kino. The day before yesterday is ototoy. Ashita is tomorrow. Asatte is the day after tomorrow. Okay? How about this morning? No, punta tayo sa morning. This morning is kesa. How about yesterday morning? Kino no asa. Kino no asa. The morning before last is ototoy no asa. Ototoy no asa. And how about tomorrow morning? That would be ashita no asa. And then the morning after next, asatte no asa. Hi, punta naman tayo sa night. Tonight. Okay? Konban. Konban. How about yesterday night or last night? Kino no bang. Kino no bang. Okay? And then the night before last is ototoy no bang. Okay? How about tomorrow night? That would be ashita no bang. Ashita no bang. Okay? And the night after next is asatte no bang. Okay? Pag sinabing day, okay? And then every day is mainichi. 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 Okay? And then see morning. Every morning is may asa. May asa. Okay? And then night. Every night is may bang. May bang. Okay? So, yun lang po for the adverbs of time in Japanese.